Ysgol y Ffin, literally translated, means a school on the border, and we're very close to the border with England here. We've got just over 100 pupils in the school. The area is not traditionally known for being Welsh, and we have a very small percentage of children who come here who speak Welsh at home. However, lots of parents decide to send their children to Welsh medium education so that their children can benefit and become fluent in both languages. Historically, children join in at a later stage. They would go into the classroom and would catch up eventually with the language skills. However, since September, we've got a new immersion class at Ysgol y Ffin where children can join later on during their school life, and we've got a specialist teacher who helps them acquire language skills, and they spend a term to a term and a half in the immersion class.
Tom and Sam.
I'd say the advantage of having an immersion class in a school is that parents have the confidence to send their children to a school where otherwise it might be too daunting, knowing that they will be in a classroom that really focuses on the language aspect, that we can really focus on doing the work through play and through talking so that they don't really realise that they're picking up a new language.
Jasper, on a personal sense, has benefited so much from the immersion class, the kind of one-on-one contact, you know, getting him up to a level where he's confident in his Welsh language, and he's giving him another life skill. To be bilingual is something that I'm jealous of. I can be proud of Jasper, and so thankful to the school that this is an opportunity he's had.
When the children leave the classroom and go back to their own class, I feel they'll feel that they're equal then to their peers, that they will have a grounding of the language when they can go back and be reintegrated and use that knowledge across the curriculum.
RhAG have helped us enormously by encouraging the local authority to consider immersion provision, where we can help children who join Welsh language education at a later time in their life to acquire those skills and become completely bilingual.